Hey everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, you are going to learn how to start and how to prepare a basic HTML structure. Let's see, I'm creating and using a project creation approach. For this, on Windows desktop, I'm using here. See, just I'm empty place, I'm clicking like creating a new folder and naming it is like HTML project. HTML project, one new folder I have created here at my desktop place. Very simple, very easily. See, an empty place, I'm creating a new and choosing folder and naming it is HTML project. Now what I am trying to doing, earlier session we have seen how to install Sublime Text Editor. So from now onwards we are going to able to accessing this Sublime Text Editor. Just press the start button, type here to search. There you can type simply Sublime. You will find the Sublime Text 3. If you are interested in installed Sublime Text 3, you will get the Sublime Text 3, or else whichever the editor which is using to like writing code or editing code, if you are comfortable other than any Sublime Text Editor, you can apply and you also use it. So in my case I am using Sublime Text Editor. Other than typing also, see, press the start button, you find these files, you will get the Sublime Text Editor very simply. So here for S part we have to go. Where is here? This one. Click here to open the Sublime Text Editor. Okay, and now what we need to do, I'm going to creating a basic first HTML page. So see here, for file, for creation of a new HTML file, new file is very important for beginners and kids as well. So file, new file you have to choose, and here it is an untitled file, and immediately you just press file, save as. You have to choose save as. I need to save this file with the name of like a extension of HTML. So choose a file, immediately save as, click the save as, and we have created a folder called HTML project on desktop. Find the path. See, in my system, cleanly you observe here, it's a desktop. So I am choosing here desktop in the left pane, or else here also you can choose for your desktop by clicking this menu and select for desktop. You will get here. Okay. See, once you click the desktop, you will see the HTML project. So open the HTML project, and if you like this path like desktop HTML project, or else somewhere else if you created this HTML project directory, specify the path where you created clearly. Okay, so now what we need to do, just I am specifying my file name is very simply welcome. So I am giving a name welcome. So as your convenient, you can specify your name, and welcome.html and save it. Welcome dot with the file extension is .html. It's nothing but hypertext markup language. So welcome.html, once it is given, click save. Now see, in my tab, my file tab here, welcome.html, it is displaying here at the top where my mouse cursor is presenting. So now for beginners, I am giving you a very simple tip to creating a basic structure page. See, I'm not going to write more and more code, but I'll apply the intelligence, and I utilize and I'll take in help of code editor. The Sublime Text Editor will help you in many ways by writing code itself. See, taking less than, initiating HTML, just I have typed just HT. Other than, I'm not typing anything. See, and by defaultly it's showing down to like HTML. Press tab key from your keyboard. press tab, T-A-B, tab key from your keyboard. So when I press tab key, wow, awesome. The lines of up to 9 lines of code, the IDE is written. I'm not written anything. So find very clearly. So we'll discuss more on this. Now you need to, once you have seen this, see here it is showing like less than exclamatory symbol. It's a not doc type space HTML, which is indicating it will be implies like it's a form which is creating the latest HTML we are learning. The HTML version 5 is the latest at present in the industry. So this tag at the open tag, it will be line number 1. It indicates it's a HTML5 document. All the features in HTML5 which will be perfectly supports and perfectly it will works when you are using this tag at the top of this HTML5 like HTML5. Okay, now see the HTML, it's an open tag. Always the HTML will follows open tag and end tag, except a few tags are there like a 2 or 3, most probably, I hope so. We'll discuss more on that in our upcoming lectures. So HTML, most cases it will be open tag as well as the end tag. Have you seen here line number 2 as well as line number 9? And similarly here it's in a parts, in the 2 parts are there here by like a default it's showing. One is the head part and another one is body part. The head part will use to applying for metadata. We calling it as metadata, which is useful for information about this particular HTML page, like a title and any reference links and any data which are not going to be presenting and showing to the end user. It won't be displayed to the information to the end user. So this is called for used for metadata. And second one is body, which is the body which anything if we've written inside the body, means here if we are written anything, it will be present in the browser. So let's see. First I'm writing title. In between we need to write the information. See the title, welcome to HTML. Sorry. Yeah. Welcome to HTML. Now save it and right click the page, open in browser. By running of the HTML is very pretty easy. Very pretty easy. Any of your browser will run very simply and quickly. Like browser means Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. These are very helpful to run and very quickly show you in output. So anywhere, once you need to save the document by pressing the Ctrl S is a shortcut to save a document, or else go for file, save. See, this is the save and it's a shortcut. It's showing like Ctrl plus S. By holding the Ctrl, by pressing S, you simply save the HTML document. So now once the save is completed, right click and open in browser. See here the empty document. We have not written anything in body. So your body is empty. So here it is empty. So the title we have written here. So the title, the open tag of a title and closing tag of title, in between we have written something like welcome to HTML. It is displaying in our HTML page. See at the top position, welcome to HTML. This is the text only. Okay. Now we will write very simple, a simple line using a simple h1 tag. I'll apply here to write something. Hello. Sorry, in between the tags we need to write. Yes. Welcome to my website. Save it by pressing the Ctrl S, and you can open the browser and refresh it. If you are not closed, if you are closed this website, that web page means you need to go to right click and open in browser. It will be displayed. All right. So the thing is, see, I'm making like big, nothing more than that. I'm making like big font. That's it. Okay. So hello, welcome to my website. You are able to seeing here text means you have perfectly done your first program using HTML. So very simply, whenever you are writing something in body tag, open and closing tag of the body tag, if you are writing something means it will be always perfectly displayed at your requirement place. All right. And now you want to maintain like a footer. So inside the body, there is a footer tag is there, footer tag. So here is the footer tag, and here if you want to like make a put something like a copyright symbol, no, for this you can go to the Google and hit any copyright symbols which you like more comfortable and beautiful. Copyright logo for HTML, yes, yeah, copyright logo, yeah, the copyright symbol is displaying like name of the code. So take, see, this is the symbol C, okay, C inside. So I'm taking this code, copy, very simply, and at the in between the paragraph footer tag, I'm inserting this information, copyright, and we have to control this information using p tag, otherwise somewhere else it will go. So I'll tell you about the p tag also, which is nothing but paragraph tag. So this copy information I'm adding inside the p tag. Wherever, if you are opening a open tag and you have to close the tag and you have to write the something, copy, write 2022 for HTML harisystems. Any of your forum name or any of your school name, for the purpose which you are preparing this information, you can write the names very conveniently. Save this document and go to the browser and refresh the website. Once you simply refresh it, it will be comes automatically. So if you need like any spaces and all, we are going to learning in upcoming lectures. So automatically the footer will goes to the end position. This will come. See here it will comes, and along with this symbol, what I have added here, it will be implies ampersand copy terminator will be is the logo for C, copyright. I get it from Google. So you also simply copyright logo for HTML, you can get the symbols and all. If you need more symbols, you can get it. However, you will get it. Okay. So the footer tag you have to write. It will be implies always like a bottom of the page. See, this is the basic HTML structure. In our upcoming lectures, we are going to learn more and more tags we are going to be adding to these pages. So perfectly you can build this page and prepare yourself very well and run this page and jump to the next lecture. Thank you. We'll catch you.